Children, today I'm going to take class 2, subject EVS, semester 1, lesson number 2, my body. Can you see this picture? Who is she? She's a girl. She wants to say rhymes, chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Nice, no? Shall we move on to the lesson? Our body has different parts. There are two different parts of our body. Some parts of the body can be seen such as hands, feet, eyes, nose, mouth, etc. You can see no hands, legs and all. These are all called external organs. Some parts of the body are hidden. Hidden means it is inside our body. We cannot see them, such as brain, lungs, kidneys, stomach, etc. These are called internal organs. Have you understand? Shall I explain once? External organs means we can see, like hands, feet, legs, nose, mouth, etc. Okay, internal organs means like brain, lungs, kidneys, stomach, etc. We cannot see because of these body parts are hidden. It is inside our body. So these are called internal organs. Can you see this picture? What is this? Brain. What it works? Let me see how it will work. Let me see. Brain is the master organ of our body. It is very important organ, the master organ of our body. It is located inside our head. Where it is located? Inside our head. It helps us to think. It controls all the sense organs. It helps us to think and controls all the sense organs because it is master organ of our body. What is this? Can you see this? What is this? Heart. Heart is located inside our chest. Where it is located? Inside our chest. The heart pumps blood to the whole body. How it will work? See, the heart pumps blood to the whole body. Touch the left side of your chest. First touch your left side of your chest. Can you feel something beating? Right? That's your heart. Our heart beats about 72 times a minute. How many times? See, 72 times. How it will work? See, heart will beat 72 times a minute. Next, what is this? Lungs. How it will work? How it will help us to? Our lungs helps us to breathe. It helps us to breathe. There are two lungs. There are two lungs located inside our chest. It helps us to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. It helps us to breathe. Where it is located? Inside our chest. Which organ is this? Internal or external? Internal organ. What is this? Stomach. Can you see the picture? What is this? Stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag located below the chest. It is a muscular bag. It is located below the chest. It helps in digesting the food that we eat. What we'll eat, it is help us to digest. The stomach churns the food into liquid form. How it will churns into a liquid form? Like a machine. How machine will work? Making butter by shaking milk or cream. Like that only stomach also will work food into a liquid form. Right? Stomach churns the food into liquid form and it will help us to digest that food that we eat. Okay. Next. Can you see this picture? What is this? Liver, kidney. These we have liver, kidneys and many other organs inside our body. Can you see this? Liver, kidneys. Our sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to know the things around us. Let me see how it will work. What he is showing? He is showing his eyes. These are my eyes. This helps us to different things around us. What he is telling, we can see around us with the help of our eyes. What he is showing? He is showing his nose. This is my nose. It helps me to smell things. How will smell? With the help of your nose. Good smell and bad smell. Ears is showing his ears. These are my ears. This helps me to hear different sounds. You will like music, right? With the help of your ears. Okay, you will listen with your ears. No, you will enjoy the music, right? Next, he's showing his tongue. This is my tongue. It helps me to taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter things. Right, when you will taste with your tongue, you will tell your mama, no, so sweet mama, yummy food today. Right, with the help of your tongue. See, next picture. What he's showing? He's showing is skin. This is my skin. It covers my body and helps me to feel hard, soft, cold, hot, smooth and rough things. You can touch and you can feel cold, hot, soft things, smoothness and all. Have you understand this? These are all 5 sense organs, how you will feel. Okay. Sum up. I will revise. Our body has 2 types of organs, external and internal. The parts of our body that we can see are called external organs. We can see now that are external organs. The parts of our body that are inside our body are called internal organs. Which are internal organs? Like lungs, brain, stomach and all. Okay. The sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Have you understand this lesson? Thank you. Bye bye.